right now we at the car meet. We actually in the DMV. We were gonna be in Tampa this weekend. Was really excited about that, but things got hectic, so we're not doing it. So instead, we're gonna be out here at DMV car meet. We actually just took the hood off the Scat. So you know what that means. We mean business out here. So, but like I said, we about to turn up here in the DMV. Sad we're not in Tampa, but look, we're gonna be out there another time. Hope y'all having a good time out there, and we're gonna see how this goes. End of the night. We had a crazy night, as y'all saw. Took over a few spots. Right now, we about to put the hood back on. But we had a great time. Like I said before, at first I was a little upset that we weren't in Florida, but clearly we know how to have a good time out here in the DMV. Looks like everybody came out. Appreciate everybody sending the videos. Definitely keep sending videos for real. We did, I want to say we turned up at, 2-3 different spots. And we did our thing. And not just Playboy Scatty, but also Cold Hearted Scat. Really Too Legit was doing their thing. They were coming out there. We had the one spot. I think we were there for like 2 hours. It was crazy. But definitely turned up. Definitely had a good time. And, I appreciate everybody supporting for real. It looks like people subscribing on the regular. Appreciate that. Videos coming in. Shorts are doing well too. So I definitely appreciate that. The videos, I definitely want to keep posting a lot more. I know my shorts are doing well, so I definitely got to keep doing that. But the videos, it looks like the ones recently have been hitting 1,000, so I definitely appreciate that. Keep supporting, keep reposting, and I'm going to definitely put this vlog up soon, and more vlogs on the way. So I'll catch y'all later.